Every few days, somewhere in the universe, two black holes collide. The collision releases more energy in a fraction of a second than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. No light escapes. No sound carries through the vacuum of space. But the collision sends something else rippling outward. A distortion in the fabric of spacetime itself. A gravitational wave. And for the first time in history, we are catching hundreds of them. The first gravitational wave was detected on September 14th, 2015. It was produced by two black holes merging 1.3 billion light-years away, and it shifted the LIGO detectors by a fraction of the width of a proton. Scientists had been building toward that moment for decades. When it finally arrived, it changed physics forever. A new way of listening to the universe had opened. Since then, the global network of gravitational wave detectors has grown. LIGO's two sites in the United States, Virgo in Italy and Kagra in Japan, now operate together as the LVK collaboration. As each detector has been upgraded, its sensitivity has improved, allowing scientists to detect collisions from ever greater distances and to localize their origins in the sky with ever greater precision. In July 2026, the LVK collaboration released the Gravitational Wave Transient Catalog 5.0, GC5. It adds 161 new detections, all recorded between April 2024 and January 2025. The total number of confirmed gravitational wave events now stands at 390. During that observing run, the detectors were catching 3 to 4 events every single week. Then there is GW2 50114, detected January 14th, 2025. With a signal-to-noise ratio of 76.9, it is the clearest gravitational wave ever recorded. Two nearly equal black holes, 32 and 34 times the Sun's mass, merged more than 1 billion light-years away. The signal was so clean that researchers used it to conduct the most precise test of general relativity ever performed and to confirm Stephen Hawking's black hole area theorem, proving that the total area of black hole event horizons always increases after a merger, just as Hawking predicted. The catalog also contains evidence of something even more profound. Black holes that appear to have formed not from collapsing stars, but from previous black hole mergers. Two events detected just 1 month apart in late 2024, GW241011 and GW241110, show spin patterns inconsistent with a stellar origin. These may be second-generation black holes, objects born from collisions, then colliding again. Scientists believe these repeated mergers occur in densely packed environments like stellar clusters, where black holes have many opportunities to interact. Making this analysis possible at scale required a software breakthrough. Glasgow researchers developed and tested tools that run the Hubble constant analysis more than 1,000 times faster than before, essential when the catalog is growing by hundreds of events per year. Where previous analyses might take weeks, these systems run in hours, allowing scientists to test far more scenarios and verify their results with far greater confidence. 390 black hole collisions, each one a distortion in spacetime, traveling billions of light years, arriving as a whisper in a detector the size of a building. 10 years ago, we heard the first one. Now we're hearing them several times a week, and what they're telling us is only just beginning.